Hello everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today we're going to make together a very delicious Persian meal which is vegetarian. It's called Kuku Sabzi. The ingredient for this meal is eggs, garlic, grated onion, salt, pepper, turmeric, olive oil, and I have dill, parsley, and cilantro here. We're going to mix it all up. And we use a food processor because it's much easier. You can do the mixing with a spoon, and here how you start it. First, we're going to put the herbs in a big glass bowl. Then we're going to add the grated onion. This is small grated onion. I have 5 cloves of garlic crushed, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 or half a teaspoon of salt, something you taste. You like to add whatever you like. And then the last thing is we're going to crack the eggs. A little bit of eggshell here. I'm going to fish it out. Perfect. I'm going to wipe my hands, and then we're going to mix it up with the food mixer. I mix the eggs and the herbs for 2 minutes, and now I'm going to add some olive oil to a small pan, about 2 spoons, and let it warm up. Then I'm going to add half of this ingredient to this one. The oil is hot. I added half of the ingredient and I let it fry for a little bit. After a few minutes, I turn the temperature to medium high and let it fry thoroughly. After about 5 minutes that you see this is cooking very well, then you can put the lid on and turn the heat to medium low because you want this to cook to the core. Now it's time to flip, and you just put a plate here, turn it upside down. You see one side is cooked, and then you just add a little bit of oil to the hot pan. Slide it in. Put the lid on and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Our Kuku Sabzi is ready, and I'm going to take off the lid, put a plate on, and there we go. And this is how you plate it. You just cut it like a pie. and I have some pickles, tomatoes, onion, lemon. So after I cut it, I put it on the tray and our dinner is ready. Kuku Sabzi is ready. It's an amazing, delicious meal. It's vegetarian. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know what would you like me to cook next for you. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I love you all. Nushe Jan. Bon appetit. Till next time.